Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix error repair an operating system wasn't found, fix boot configuration data in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click repair your computer, click troubleshoot, click command prompt. Type BCD edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case, boot drive and Windows installed drive is C. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the SIST partition type is MBR. Type list vol. C drive is boot drive, select volume 1. Type active. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive colon / Windows space, /s space, boot drive colon space, /f space, all. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.